If you are ready to become 10 times more productive whilst maintaining a work-life balance, then this video is the right one for you because I'm going to show you how to add your work or business email to your Gmail account in just Hello creative entrepreneurs, SMEs and freelancers. I'm Solomon, your edu creator, and I'm excited to take you through this tutorial step by step. With this method, you'll be able to access your work emails easily from your Gmail account on both your mobile and desktop without any issue. Plus, you'll be able to stay on top of your work no matter where you are. So let's dive right in. First thing first, you need to log into your Gmail account. Once you are in, click on the gear icon in the top right hand corner and select settings. Okay, so you want to click on that settings, then followed by account and import. From there, click on add email account. Next, you need to enter the email account you want to add and click on next. Once you've entered your email account, you need to open a new tab and log in into the email account you want to add to your Gmail. Look for the configure mail client option and then ensure you copy out, or you can just jot out all your mail client's manual settings information. So to access that, you want to scroll down a bit. Alright, perfect. Now, so here is it. Next, let's get back to your Gmail tab and enter the username and password for the email account you want to add, and copy in the mail settings in the pop server field and change the port to match what is shown in your mail settings. For added security and organization, be sure to add labels to your emails. Once you've done this, click add account. Now that your incoming mail settings have been added to Gmail, you will receive your business emails in your Gmail box. Very good. But we are not done yet. To be able to send emails from your Gmail, you need to click on next. You can customize the account name as you wish. You want to check the treat as an alias box to ensure that messages sent to the addresses you are adding appear also in your current Gmail box. Once you've done this, go back to the mail settings and make sure the SMT server port matches the outgoing server ports. Then your username and password also, and click add account. The final step is to verify the email address by going to the inbox of the email you want to add. So you open the email from the Gmail team, which they've sent to your traditional email. Copy and paste the verification code just like that. You can now both send and receive mails from a business and email account in Gmail. To stay organized, be sure to add a label for your business email. You can even customize the label color to make it stand out and to avoid accidentally replying to a business mail. Be sure to double check before sending by always switching the tab. And that's it. You're now much more productive while still maintaining your work-life balance. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with your colleagues. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.